welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, there's no baking once again today. I am on vacation with my family. Right now, I'm sitting on one of my favorite places, the porch swing in Cape May. We're down here in Cape May, New Jersey, and also Wildwood, New Jersey. So, if you want to see some of the things me and my family did on our vacation, stay tuned because the beach is my happy place. Well, we made it to Cape May, and everybody is out on the front porch on their very favorite thing, right guys?
Yes.
The porch swing. We're gonna have a good week?
Yes.
Everybody's ready to have a swinging time?
Yes, we need food.
And they're all hungry. Here they are, the four cousins. From left, we have Lucas. Hi, Lucas.
He's on my right.
Standing with the metallic sunglasses is Kyle. In the white hat is Aaron. And there in the FDU, the maroon shirt is Jake. There they are, my four loves. Bye kids, see you later, say toodles.
Bye.
I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the salt air or the soil, but all the houses in Cape May have beautiful hydrangeas in front of them. Everyone was so hungry after the trip that we had pizzas delivered. All right, we finally got our pizza delivered from none other than Jake's Pizza. And this is a white pizza. We got one white pizza. We got a pepperoni pizza. That white pizza looks good. And over there is another pepperoni pizza.
This pizza is really good.
There's the family basking in the sun. We have Dawn and Jason over there. Here's Scott under the little canopy. And there's the boys back there. If you watch my other videos, you know they bought this portable basketball net that folds up into like a backpack, and you can bring it with you on the beach. So that's Kyle, Jake, and Aaron's over there under the canopy. Hi, Aaron. Can't see your face. He's under the canopy checking his phone. It's a beautiful first day at the beach. We're so excited after all the rain we've had. Oh my goodness. Beach is absolutely beautiful today. Look at everybody enjoying this gorgeous day. And there's so many dolphins. We see them hopping out of the water. I'm going to go over there and see if I can catch some.
Well, I was picking up her car, which I told the dog like
I'll move in there and get Aaron. Can't see his face. There he is. There's Lucas and Dad. Lucas has been jumping those waves. Here comes one. Get ready, Lucas! Woo! He's having a good time. He's just running away from that one. Woo! Look at it! Good job. He's bug, that's for sure. Woo! Look at him. Oh! Ah! It's getting me now. Here's the Cape May boat with those handsome lifeguards on it. Woohoo! Here comes Lucas. It's a beautiful day. Hope the kids are going to have a great time. Look at those 4 handsome dudes playing football on the beach. Here's Aaron with the white hat. There's Jake over there. And Lucas, Kyle's in the water throwing the football. Woo, he just got wiped out. And there's Lucas jumping around. He thinks it's hysterical. Whoa, Kyle! Woo! He caught it! Kyle, don't lose the ball! There they are, having a great time. There's Jake and Lucas. Woo! Watch out, Jake! Watch out, Lucas! Oh! Jake got wiped out. Catch that ball, Jake. Woo! There's Aaron over here. Woo! Having so much fun. Woo! Oh, Jake caught it. Great day at the beach, but now storm's coming in and the lifeguards are blowing whistles. They want everyone out of the water and off the beach. So we're heading out. I have to go because they want me to help. Toodles! thunderstorms. The rain lasted most of the day, and now it's early evening, and it's cleared up, and everybody's outside in the Washington Mall, walking around and shopping and having a grand old time. The lights have come on, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful evening. Boy, the ice cream shops are all packed tonight. There's Ben & Jerry's, and we have coffee time. We have more boutiques down there. Look at this nice bench you can sit on. Looks like a big, maybe an ice cream cone or sundae. You can relax on there and eat your ice cream. Do you like beef jerky? Well, if you do, here's a store that sells it.
Chocolate chip, one chocolate chip. Still 3 more shots.
Aaron's loading up on the phone.
Chocolate marshmallow.
Ooh, chocolate marshmallow. Do you have a coupon?
Yeah. Another cookies and cream.
Wow. Very crowded in here.
And 1 mint chocolate chip.
Aaron, this fudge is good.
Yes, Grandma, it's good.
Is it better than mine?
Yes.
What? Say it again.
Yeah.
Scott just went and rinsed the ash off one of the hot dogs. Oh my goodness. Well, do you like well done hot dogs? Well, here you go. Grandpa would like this. Grandpa likes his hot dogs black. I'm going to taste it. Let me see. Ready, Kyle?
Let's try the BB.
Just want to take some of this water out.
Ew, Jake.
Watch out, incoming.
Ew, she ate a wiener! I'll tell you one thing. Oh my God, they're so salty.
Grandma,
Tastes like a box of salt. What brand hot dogs are these?
Nathan's.
normal.
Oh, they're salty. They're not bad. Look at
Well, we didn't salt
look at Kyle. Not bad, right? Look at Kyle.
Let me try.
Eat it.
Let me try.
Oh my God.
They're all salty.
We don't do thumbs down. We do dogs down.
Weenies down.
Wieners down. All right.
okay.
All right. Look at that. At least the mac and cheese doesn't look burned. Good job, Dawn.
Thanks. I'm putting in the powdered cheese right now.
Oh, the guys are all going fishing, and I'm going into the little Cape May, the Washington Square Mall tonight to walk around and relax. I'm making a s'mores dip for everybody tonight. I layered the pan with Hershey chocolate bars. I put marshmallows on the top. Usually I dip the marshmallows in a little sprinkles, but I didn't have any. And here's graham crackers that I broke up. And I'm going to put this in the oven till the marshmallows start to turn brown on top. And then we're going to dig in and have a nice dip tonight. Okay, just took the s'more dip out of the oven. We have graham crackers to dip in it. So, everybody take a plate and a napkin and dip in, but it's going to be very hot. Let me know what you think. It's very, very
trying it.
hot.
It's too
Go boys. There's Kyle
Kyle's
with his
got
hand
it.
in. You gotta go deep so you get the chocolate.
Dig!
I know.
You didn't dig.
Go down
give us-
deep because the melted chocolate's on the bottom.
Oh, it's cracking on you.
Maybe you need
Ooh.
a spoon.
I put a spoon there.
And everybody can take a little scoop.
Mmm. What do you think, Kyle? Looks
I
good?
didn't try it. I didn't really get it.
Go ahead, Aaron. Well, it says to keep it in until the marshmallow's brown.
And the chocolate melts.
Alrighty. Looks
The
good.
marshmallows look very
Everybody, it's good? You like it, Kyle? Alright. Aaron's gonna try it next.
Too hot, too hot.
Okay, too hot. Alright, well, I'm gonna dig in now. Bon appetit!
Fun, right?
Well, it looks like the dip is a hit because it's almost gone already.
Before it's gone.
You didn't even finish
Look.
the plate, boy.
I know I need more.
Dawn's back for seconds. Scott has to get some before it's all gone.
Yeah, Daniel.
Jake's passing.
Jake's nuts.
Lucas, how is it?
Daniel.
I can't even see you. You're hiding in the door. It's good?
The crispy marshmallow tops are the best.
Look at that.
Best
It's all going, gone. Lucas, you coming back for more? Yeah? Oh, wow.
It is very,
It was a hit.
very tasty.
S'mores dip was a hit.
This bowl looks like